guys, in this video we are going to unbox and set up the Xiaomi Mi Bedside Lamp 2. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 10,000 subscribers we are going to show you our whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. This is the box that it comes in. As you can see right on the box, it works with the Google Assistant system, with the Amazon Alexa home system, and with the Apple HomeKit. So you can use this lamp with all of those systems. Let's jump into the unboxing experience. Nothing very special. Here you have your charging cable, some paperwork, and the lamp itself inside. So let's take it out. So this is a lamp. It's made out of this cloudy white plastic, which is a very cool design in my opinion, because it disperses the light. So when it's turned on, the light comes from all the sides equally, so which is kind of cool. It has this sticker on it which says a few details, but I'm going to show you in a second how those systems work. So let's peel it off. And let's set up the lamp. So it's very easy to set up. You just have to connect the cable here. It has to be connected all the time. It does not have a battery. And after that, you just have to scan the QR code on the bottom of the lamp, and then you can add it to your smart home system. Whatever system you use, it is going to work with it. But let's try out. So here you just connect the cable, and it's already turned on. These are the main basic controls. So with this you can turn it on or off. With this slider you can increase or decrease the brightness, and with the button on the top, so these are actually not buttons, these are just touch sensitive sensors, and with this you can change the color of the light like this. But obviously if you connect it to your home system, you are going to have a lot more options. So let's see how it works. So let's just open the Apple Home system, and here is the lamp already added to my home system, and I can control it from here. I can turn it on or off, but we have even more options than that. You can control the brightness of the lamp here. You can change the color, but not just these 6 colors. You can choose from any color from your color list. As you can see, you can pick a color from this circle. So basically it has infinite color options. You can also set it to white if you want just a bright lamp, and you can move it just a little bit to have a more warm lamp color, or maybe you like a colder one. But yeah, this is how you can set up the colors. But you can also set automations for your lamp. So for example, I already set up an automation. The lamp is going to turn on every single day at 7 a.m. in the morning. So in the morning when my alarm rings, the lamp is also turning on automatically, which is kind of cool feature. I kind of like it. And also I've set up an automation for turning the lamp off at midnight. So every single day, even if I forget to turn off the lights, the lamp is going to turn off at midnight, which is also kind of cool. But you can set up even more automations. If you tap on this plus icon, you can set up automations by room, by scene, or you can add even more accessories. You can even set up an automation which is going to turn on the light when you come home. So when your iPhone is sensing that you are coming home, the lights are going to turn on, or if you leave, they can turn off as well. You can also control the light with Siri or Alexa or the Google Assistant, whichever you use. You can just ask them to turn on or turn off the light and they are going to work, but let's try it out right now. I hope Siri doesn't stop the video recording. Hey Siri, turn off lampy.
Okay, the lampy is off.
Done. So I called our lamp lampy, but yeah. Hey Siri, turn on lampy. And
okay, the lampy is on.
You can also give commands to change the colors of the lamp, or you can change the brightness level. So let's try it out. Hey Siri, turn lampy red.
Voila, red.
Done. And you can decrease the brightness. So let's try it out. Hey Siri, turn lampy to 50%.
Okay, I set the lampy to 50%.
That's how it works. I think it's pretty cool. You can control it from any device. So when you add it to your home system, it works on your iPhone, iPad, on your computer, or even on your Apple Watch. So I can control lampy from my Apple Watch as well. Let's try it. Let's go to the home system. And when you open the home system, you can already see your lamp, and you can turn it off or on, or you can choose all those settings that you have on your iPhone or computer. You can change the brightness, you can change the color, or anything. So that's pretty much it, how you can use and set up your Xiaomi Mi bedside lamp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description. You can buy this lamp from Amazon. We have a special link for you. You just have to go down there and you can purchase it, and it is going to support our channel. That's pretty much it. Thank you.